Hello dear students, welcome back to e-learning class of Piyanamasi High School. Let's continue chapter number 7, Java Basic of Standard 12th Computer. Let's start this chapter with variable. A name used to refer to the data stored in memory is called a variable. A variable can take different data values at different times during the execution of the program, but it always refers to the same memory location. A variable can be used in Java program only if it has first been declared. One or more variables can be declared in Java using declaration statement with following syntax: in angular brackets type name, and in curly bracket variable names semicolon and. The conventions used in the syntax are as angle brackets denote the item to be specified by user, curly brackets denote the list of items separated by commas. Variable names denote the list of variable names. Type name is to be replaced with the keyword denoting the data type of the variable. Some example of variables are as integer marks, double, amount, comma interest, plot rate, char grade, boolean is pass. To define variable name, we need to follow certain rule as it must begin with an alphabet underscore or dollar sign. No spaces are allowed in variable. Thus, birth date is invalid variable name. It cannot be reserved word. Reserved words have special use in Java and cannot be used by the programmer for other purposes. Examples of some reserved words are class, public, static, if, else, and while. Some legal names are birth underscore date, result, call cost, top 5 students, date, amount, dollar sign price. Guidelines for naming variables. Choose meaningful names. Java allows variable name of any length. Java is a case sensitive, so uppercase and lowercase letters are considered to be different. Name of classes to begin with uppercase. Next topic is literal. A name used for constant value is known as literal. There are some different kinds of literal in Java for number, character, string, and boolean values. First one is a numeric literal. Numeric literal are used to represent integer or real numbers. For example, 157 and 17.42 are literals. What is integer literal? Integer literals are literals that are whole numbers. Java allows decimal, base 10, octal, base 8, hexadecimal, base 16, and Unicode integer literals. Decimal number use only the digit 0 to 9, octal number use only the digit 0 to 7, and hexadecimal number use 0 to 9 and capital A to F total 16 digits. The letters capital A to capital F represent the numbers 10 to 15 respectively. A Unicode letter consists of a /U followed by 4 hexadecimal digits. For example, the character literal /U00E9 represents the Unicode character, that is an E with an acute accent. One is a real number letters. Real number letters are called floating point letters. These numbers can be represented using two types of notation, standard and scientific. In standard notations, the integer part and the fractional part are separated with decimal point, for example 12.37. In scientific notation, number is followed by letter E or capital E and a signed integer exponent, for example 1.3 E12 and 12.3737 E minus 108. Next one is a boolean letters. For the type boolean, there are precisely two letters, true and false. These letters are to be typed without quotes. They represent values, not variables. Boolean values occur most often as the values of conditional expression. In C, 0 is treated as false and non-zero value is treated as true. In Java, letters true and false are not associated with any numeric value. Last one is a string letters. A string is a sequence of characters enclosed in double quotes. Within a string, special characters can be represented using the backslash notation. One is a comments. Comments in a program are for human readers solely. They are entirely ignored by the computer. Java support three type of a comment. First one is a single line comment. Single line comment begins with double slash and extend till the end of a line. Second one is a multi-line comment. Multi-line comment begin with the slash, asterisk sign and end with asterisk sign slash. This type of a comment is usually used to have more than one line as a comments. Last one is a documentation comment. This type of a comments begin with a slash, double asterisk sign and end with asterisk sign slash. They are used for creating API documents from the code. Is an expression. Expression are an essential part of programming. The basic building block of expression are variable and function calls. We'll continue this chapter in our next video. Thank you, student.